Hey guys, it's Moto Lean here. I basically just stopped doing this, but I have some free time, so I'm gonna start making videos again on weekends and just kind of have fun with it. It's gonna be just the basic vlog and how to and just all the fun stuff. This is just kind of a video to let everybody know that I'm doing it again. Here I'm working on a 97, 99 Cherokee, somewhere in there. I did a heater core on it. Anybody who knows anything about them, you know, you got to pull the whole dash out and the assembly that's bolted on the firewall. So that's fun. This isn't one of my cars, so I won't be working on it very often. Got my Silverado. It's up front over there. You'll see it. The Ranger, if anybody remembers that, I'll be working on it. I basically brought it back to life. The Saab that I had painted and had in there, that's gone. I sold it. I think it's in West Virginia now. For those of you that knew I had the Subaru, that's gone. I sold it. I got the engine out of it and then didn't feel like messing with it. I got more tools. I basically know what I'm doing now, so that's a one-up. Yeah, so I'll show you some of the vehicles later when I get home, because oh yeah, I don't live here anymore. Alright, I'm home. Get a better look at my truck. Well, one of them. It's my Silverado. It's nice. It's 5.3. Needs a mirror. It's got some nice wheels. Yeah. I'm gonna do a bunch of crap to it whenever I feel like it. And here's the Ranger. It was a lawn ornament, but brought it back and it's doing pretty well. Have a DPFE sensor, and I'm gonna put that in there because it's got a check engine light. Should fix it. Might make a video on that. And then this is the garage that I'll be working out of. I'm not gonna do a whole lot in here, only stuff that I have to, or stuff that's gonna take longer than, you know, just a couple hours. Oh, say hi. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and start filming the DPFE sensor video. See ya.